Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove people from your best friends list on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So I have Snapchat open here, and if you tap on the little chat icon, then you go through this list. You might see best friends. And best friends are people that snap with back and forth consecutively for weeks to end. Just constantly back and forth set snaps or messages. If you want to remove somebody from your best friends list, I'll give you a couple of different options. One thing to keep in mind is that best friends are completely private. Nobody else sees that who's on your best friend list except you. If you want to remove somebody, there's no kind of button to remove somebody. All you have to do is stop sending them messages. So if you stop sending that person a message for a few days or a week, then they'll fall off your best friend's list. However, one of the things that I kinda like to do is if you tap on your little profile, then tap on settings on the top right, and then scroll down, and under additional services, here tap customize emojis. What I can do here is under BFF, I can change that whatever I want. I can change that to a different emoji so that kind of I only know what the BFF emoji means. I can change it somewhere like this. Only if you show up with a little emoji like this, it means that it may be my number one best friend on Snapchat. In that regard, you can change it, and this is another kind of layer of security that I can hide who your best friend is or BFF is. So I would recommend going in here and changing that emojis. So only you exactly what are they are. But otherwise, you can just go out of here, then go back to your chat, then just make sure that you stop chatting with that person for a while. If you really want to, you can tap on their profile and then block them. But now, you automatically remove them as a best friend on your list. So, those are kind of three different options that you haven't. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!